Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. And tonight I have a very, very unusual sideband mobile radio to share with you guys. Picked this up at a yard sale, $5. Good deal on this one. This is a JCpenny 6248, I think it is. 6247, my apologies. This is a sideband radio, and of all the radios that I've picked up over the years, I have never once owned a JCpenny branded CB radio, let alone one that had sideband. So for its time, whenever that time may have been, this must have been something else. This must have been the premier JCpenny radio. I have seen Sears Road Talker series, so I know that Sears exists, but I've never seen a JCpenny electronic anything, to be honest with you. So that alone makes this thing kind of rare. Here's a close-up of the front. And here's a close-up of the back. And here's a close-up of the bottom. And you'll see the VIN tag on it, or the FCC tags showing that it was made in Japan. Very unusual. It's a 4-pin radio. I don't know anything about it really, other than it does turn on. We'll play with it tonight. Skip's rolling. I'll plug in the Antron and we'll see if we can get it to fire up. But I will tell you this. It was $5 at a flea market, or I'm sorry, at a yard sale. But what makes this thing worth $5 and not much more to me was that how dirty it was. Now, this thing had come from a house that was definitely smoked in, or a car that was smoked in for its entire existence, it looked like. And this is after cleaning it. I could probably go back and do it again, but it was just layers and layers of that yellow gunk coming off of it. And as a result, not everything on the radio works. The meter, or not the meter, but the LED for the channel select has some pieces that sometimes light up and sometimes don't. But let's go ahead and go through it. It is a very full-featured or well-featured CB radio, specifically for its age. It does have a PA function in the rear, but so it has CB PA. It does have noise blanker. It does have automatic noise limiter, so those are nice functions. We have our 40-channel selector right here, and then we do have RF gain here. We do have USB lower sideband and AM, so upper, lower, and AM on this. And then we have our fine tuning, which is the clarifier. And then beyond that, we have our squelch, and finally our volume / on-off switch. So pretty fully featured for the day. It is like a fake aluminum, or I'm sorry, a fake wooden grain that wraps this thing. The front is a black plastic. There is this chrome bezel around this, and as you can see, it's loose, it's broken. It's actually looks like it's been pried off a few times. It's kind of strange. But like I said, it does appear to be working. So let me go ahead. I'll pause the camera. I'll hook a mic up to it. We'll plug it in and see what happens. All right, I guess it's the moment of truth here. Let's see if this thing works. It does, and I thought I heard a voice there for a second. Again, you can see right here the number meter there, the number dial indicator is pretty off. Let's see here. We'll go to start off with AM. Well, there's 38. Our meter is working. It's working. Hello, CQDX, Farpoint Farms calling for it. The meter's moving. Not any context on sideband, but if it's working on AM, chances are it is working on sideband. Incredible. Incredible that something as beat up and as ugly as me and this radio both still work after all these years. I will leave it at that. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. If you liked the video, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing, because now, more than ever, I need those likes. I need you to give the old thumbs up. My videos have been pushed to the back of the line, and if you enjoy the content and want to see more of it, or find any of it, I've put out over 100 CB related videos over the last 5 years. Go ahead and hit the old thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you like the content, and you want to see more of it. Till then, take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.